Hey there, welcome to TechTube. Today I'm gonna uh, talk a little bit about how you can make more engagements in your threads. So, if you just want to make some interactions, just comment on their posts, uh, like them, you know, share them, and follow them. If you want to be engaging, that's what you can get more interactions. But if your main engagement is maybe get more followers, get more fan base kind of thing, then what you need to do is post regularly. I think the Instagram reels and people the contents that they post in the threads are very similar. These are all some kind of good videos, some wholesome videos, some comedy videos, all that kind of stuff, and mainly cats. If you want to have more followers, just get some cats, just get some cat video and post it. Look at this. So she has almost she has almost 50k followers, and she posts cats. She posts cats and dogs, and other wholesome videos. But still, that is one way. And make sure you read all the comments. I mean, not read all of them, but try to be more interactive with your comments, and go with the trend. I mean, if there are lots of cat videos on the internet, go on and get yourself some cat videos, in my personal opinion. That's how you get more engagement in your threads. If this content helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.